Hello. Welcome to my first episode on my YouTube page, Adventures to the Max. We are out here in the beautiful state of Florida, down here located southwest. And today we're currently at the world famous Eggroll Truck. So we're here, we're gonna check out the food, check out the people, and we're gonna see what they have going on out here. So see y'all soon. All right guys, we are in front of the line. We've been waiting for about 30 minutes. Check it out. This is the front of the line. So again, right now we're just waiting. We're gonna order our food, ask the cook. I'm gonna get their 2 best egg rolls, and then we're gonna have a little tasting test and go from there. So I'll see y'all soon. All right guys, we just waited in line for about 45 minutes. Before I forget, please hit that like and subscribe button. And if you enjoy this content, please show me some love, and especially show these guys some love. They're all over. You can follow them on their socials at Eggroll Truck. They got Facebook, Twitter. I'll leave the links in the description below. So let's get to the food right now. So first off, we have the barbecue beef brisket. Let's see. The texture, the meat's not rubbery. A lot of places you get meat and it's like rubber. Good texture, good sauces, good mix. Now we're gonna try the Philly cheesesteak. These are their top 2 sellers, is the barbecue beef brisket and the Philly cheesesteak. Look at that. That's really good. But my honest opinion, I think my favorite is the barbecue beef brisket. And I got the world famous lemonade. That's really good. But yeah, that will conclude our adventure. Thank you guys for following along, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Y'all take care. I appreciate it.